Did you know that 1/3 of all bat species are currently threatened with extinction? Hi, it's me, and welcome to my channel where we bring you the most amazing footage of wild animals in their natural habitat. 1/3 of all bat species are currently threatened with extinction. Today, we will share with you 5 fun facts about bats that you never knew. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Fact number 1, bats can only eat while hanging upside down. Bats are the only mammals capable of true sustained flight. Their wings are made of skin membranes stretched between their elongated fingers and body. This allows them to be incredibly agile in the air, able to maneuver into tight spaces and even fly backwards. But their unique anatomy also makes it difficult for them to hang upside down from a branch or cave feature without using their wings. If a bat lands on the ground, it must take off again immediately because it cannot walk. Since they have no clavicle or collarbone, their arms are fixed to their bodies and they lack the ability to rotate their wrists and ankles. This is why you never see a bat walking on the ground or climbing trees. They are completely dependent on their wings to get around. Their wings are also used for thermoregulation, allowing bats to cool off by flapping their wings and increase their body temperature when necessary. These flaps are covered with tiny hairs that help capture and retain heat. The downside of this is that bats need a lot of energy to maintain their body temperature. In fact, bats have the fastest metabolism of any mammal, which means they have to eat constantly to survive. However, despite their need for frequent meals, bats can go several hours without eating if necessary. For example, if they're hibernating or migrating, bats can slow down their metabolism and survive on stored fat reserves. Generally, bats eat between 60 to 70% of their body weight every night. They usually feed on insects, but some species also eat fruit or drink nectar. However, bats cannot eat while standing on the ground or hanging from a branch. Instead, they must be completely upside down to access their food. In this position, their jaws are positioned so that their teeth can slice through the skin and exoskeleton of their prey. And then their tongues are long enough to lap up the juices inside. Fact number 2, there are over 1,400 species of bats worldwide. In fact, the majority of bat species live in tropical regions, where they play an important role in pollination and insect control. Bats come in all shapes and sizes, from the tiny bumblebee bat, which is no bigger than a bumblebee, to the giant golden-crowned flying fox, which has a wingspan of up to 6 feet. Fact number 3, a group of male bats is called a clan. Just like other mammals, bats give birth to live babies, which are called pups. During mating season, male bats will compete for the attention of females, and the most dominant males will form a clan with their chosen females. A clan is a group of up to 100 bats who roost together, mate, and raise their young. Clans are typically led by the most dominant male, and new males will often be challenged to fights in order to gain access to the females. Female bats will also compete with each other for the attention of the most dominant male, and the most successful females will have preferential access to food and roosting sites. While clans are not found in all bat species, they are common among many social bats, such as the Egyptian fruit bat and the little cuties. Fact number 4, only one bat species can change its fur color. The little cuties, also known as the Indian flying fox, are the only bat species that can change their fur color. Depending on the season, these bats can change their fur from brown to gray to white. This is done in response to changes in temperature. In the summer, when temperatures rise, the little cuties will change their fur color to reflect more sunlight and stay cooler. In the winter, when temperatures drop, they will change their fur color to absorb more heat from the sun. Little cuties are found in India, Sri Lanka, and parts of Southeast Asia. They are the largest bats in the region, with a wingspan of up to 6 feet. Little cuties are frugivores, meaning that they mainly eat fruit. They are important seed dispersers, and their droppings are often the first step in the germination process for many tropical plants. Little cuties are also known for their intelligence. They have been observed using tools to access food, and they are capable of solving complex puzzles. Fact number 5, some bats use echolocation to find their way in the dark. Echolocation is a biological sonar that allows bats to navigate and hunt in complete darkness. The way it works is that bats emit high-frequency sound waves that bounce back when they hit an object. By measuring the time it takes for the sound waves to come back, bats can determine the size, shape, and location of the object. This allows them to avoid obstacles while flying and to accurately strike their prey. Not all bats use echolocation, however. For example, the megabats or flying foxes do not echolocate. Instead, they rely on their sense of sight to navigate and find food. Flying foxes are the largest bats in the world, and they are found in tropical regions of Africa, Asia, and Australia. As mentioned before, flying foxes are frugivores, meaning that they mainly eat fruit. They are important seed dispersers, and their droppings often contain viable seeds that can germinate and grow into new plants. Flying foxes are also known for their intelligence. They have been observed using tools to access food, and they are capable of solving complex puzzles. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and comment below what other animal you would like us to make a video about. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. We love you. See you next time.